Hi, I'm Gerald Satterwhite with the National Weather Service, and I'm joined by Nancy Hayes from the Alabama Institute for the Deaf and Blind. Did you know that you are an important part of the warning process? Even the most detailed forecast or warning becomes ineffective if you do not have a way to receive the information and use it to protect you and your property. There are many ways to receive weather information, including weather radios, apps on your smartphone and tablet, web pages, television, and word of mouth. But don't pick just one. You must have multiple ways to receive weather information in case one fails. And be sure the sources you use are credible and reliable. Keep in mind that sirens are intended to only alert people that are outdoors. The NOAA weather radio is a must-have for any home, office, or school. These radios, which can be set to monitor only your area, constantly listen for alerts issued by the National Weather Service and tone an alarm and weather message within seconds. Assistive technologies are available for the deaf and hard of hearing, including a strobe light and pillow shaker. Remember, the National Weather Service is your official source for watches, warnings, other weather statements, and forecasts. Be sure to know which office is responsible for your part of the country and have a way to easily access weather information anytime, anywhere. Visit weather.gov and click on your region or type your city in the search box. You can also follow your National Weather Service office on social media. But it isn't enough to just receive weather alerts. You must also know how to plan and respond to them. Ready.gov/beinformed has a lot of great information on how to make a complete preparedness plan for before, during, and after various emergencies. Be sure to include your pets in the planning process. Safety kits are also an essential part of preparedness. Some of the basics include a radio, food and water, a flashlight and blanket, a first aid kit, medications, and a cell phone with a battery backup. We recommend visiting ready.gov/build-a-kit to help ensure your safety kit is complete from all angles. Become weather ready. Take time to make sure you and your family are prepared before severe weather strikes. Thanks for joining us.